Pro Direct Soccer opened up their archive and I managed to pick up 2 pairs. So they released a number of different pairs in their archive from previous releases. So some of them were up to like 15 years ago. But I managed to pick up these two. With every release, they did a raffle and there was only a certain number of sizes. And I only went for the ones that were really in my size. So I've got both of these in a UK 10. One I'm very, very happy with. One I used to have and I played a lot on it, and now I've got a brand new pair. So I'll show you the old pair and the new pair, but here they are. We'll start with this pair. This is a pair that I used to wear a lot and I absolutely ruined my pair, and this is a pair of the Nike Tiempo Legend 9 Elite in the Rodacious colorway. Look how good these look brand new. So clean. So we'll take these out. They do also come with a boot bag, as you can see here, which says Tiempo on this side and then the symbol on this side as well. Quite a cool boot bag. It's not too simple, not too plain. Quite a nice design on it. I like it. But we'll move the box to the side. And here are the boots. So the raffle for these, I think I had sizes 7 all the way to 11. Got these in a size UK 10 and they look amazing. Pro Direct did some weird pricing on some of these releases. These were £260 all in, which I don't think is too bad because you're paying that for a new boot nowadays. And these look amazing. And one of my favourite parts, the sole plate. Check out that colour. And I'm a big fan of the studs on this one. Conical studs, which make it good for pretty much all surfaces. However, if you do wear these on AstroTurf, you'll see from my old pair, they'll get ruined around the toe box. But like I said, I'll show you the old pair. So new pair here, my old pair here. Absolutely ruined. So I do wear my boots, don't worry about that. And even the chrome sole has worn off because I've worn them that much. But yeah, needed a new pair, as you can see. So I won these in the Pro Direct raffle and there they are. Really happy with these, and I'm glad these were in the archive because I've worn them a lot. Move that boot to the sides right there. This is the second pair, and this is a pair I love, which I've also worn a lot of, but in a different colorway. So we'll open these up. These are the Nike Mercurial Vapor Elite Dream Speed, and you'll probably guess the colorway by the bag. So these are the Vapor 13 Dream Speed in the kind of white and black colorway, and every time I look at these, come on, check them out. The details on this boot are phenomenal. These ones were a little bit more expensive. I think they were £280 all in. So like I said, Pro Direct did some weird things where some of them were resale prices and some of them were retail prices. £280, a little bit more expensive than I'd like to pay for these, but you really can't get a brand new pair of these anywhere near that price anymore. So I'm quite happy to pay that. The details that I like the most are this kind of like dotted patterns, almost like a cheetah pattern on the inside. And look, all the geometric shapes on the inside and outside are just absolutely phenomenal. This is a brilliant colorway, however it does get ruined when it gets dirty. Stud pattern is very aggressive, but I did like it as well. And when I said I've worn this in a different colorway, I'll show you it now. So this is my pair in the kind of wolf grey orange colorway. Well, not really wolf grey anymore, it's more dirt because I've absolutely ruined this, but I've worn these a ton as well, a lot. Really great boot. I actually wore this pretty much with the laces loose because it fitted my foot so well. So I'm excited again to get a brand new pair of these. Yeah, Pro Direct, I'm really happy they did the archive. I really hope they do that every single year because I've been a big fan of that. They have had some really special releases on their archive that I haven't managed to pick up. These are just the two that I've won. What do you think of them? 2 brand new pairs from the Pro Direct Soccer archive. Really happy with these two. Let me know down below in the comments what pairs you'd like to see them release and which pair of these two would you prefer. This is one of my favourite. Oh, big fan of these. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Hope you have an amazing day and hopefully get some football boots.